Ready to turn a blueprint into a profitable estimate in minutes? Let's show you how fast BidPak's Visual Designer works. Here you'll find me uploading a drawing to a new project, and then I need to create a work package. We'll call this one lighting. Now you're going to see me go into the assembly catalog under the lighting category as I navigate to find the 6-inch wafer that I'm looking to add. Quickly drag and drop it to the position of your choice, and in the bottom left you can quickly copy it as well. Lay it out as you want, and then we can do the same thing even with the power. I'm going to add another work package and call it that. And I'm going to navigate to the receptacles, find the one of my choosing, quickly add it into the drawing, drag and drop it, rotating it as needed, placing it where I want it to go. Notice the best part. As I place these symbols, BidPak is automatically calculating your labor hours and updating the contract price in real time. This ensures you'll never miss a cost. Need to verify your estimate? The automatically generated Take-Off provides an instant detailed breakdown of all material and labor organized by assembly. Get guaranteed accuracy and speed, whether you're working on quick residential jobs or complex commercial or residential projects. Finally, if you handle service calls, don't forget the Flat Rate Price Book. Instantly price 140 common tasks to guarantee profit on every call. We also have created a template for this as well. As you scroll through, you can see the different tasks that we mentioned, and you can quickly add this into any project as a template and perform your takeoff, pull your counts, add in the work packages that applies to that particular job. Rinse and repeat this on every job. Log into BidPak and try the Visual Designer today.